No, there's only Pikmin 1 through 4. They haven't made a 5, at least not yet. Though they did make a spin-off game for the DS. I don't know if that counts. All right, we're back here. All right, we're gonna do the red team for this one because I know those fire guys that respawned. I meant to say there are 5 Pikmin games. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that. So my strategy here is to clear a path for the yellow team because okay, so each Pikmin has their own unique abilities, as you may have noticed. The red team is fireproof. The blue team can go through water, so they don't drown. And the yellow team is basically the bomb squad. They carry bombs. Now, originally there were going to be electrical hazards, and the yellow Pikmin are supposed to be like electricity proof. But unfortunately, they didn't have time to implement electrical hazards, so they just gave them bombs instead. And originally, every Pikmin was supposed to carry bombs. All right, come on, let's go. Look at little Power Rangers. I know, right? Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! See? Fire can't do shit to these guys. Well, I got a clear path, though. Hold on, wait for that. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. Wait for it to buck him. It goes switch to PC. Alright. Are they picking a Mewtwo or be eating? Ah, sadly, no. Never been able to finish the original. Although in the second game, there's these white Pikmin that that not only can resist poison hazards, but can actually poison enemies that eat them. So yeah, in the next game, yeah, they do have those. All right, come on, come over here, face over here, face over here. Thank you. All right, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Shit, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. You can't swim. You'll drown. Oh, God damn it. Come on, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. All right, fire team, let's take care of this bastard. There he goes. All right. The reason why I'm trying to get rid of all of them is because I need to make a room for the bomb squad. So get rid of first. I get rid of the fire guys. Then I get the blue guys to get rid of the little frogs over there, and then we're golden. Shit! Shit! Retreat! 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 Get him! No! 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 Ah! Damn it! We suffered heavy casualties there. Oh no! 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 Oh my God! Yeah, we suffered some heavy casualties in that one. Oh man. Yeah, I know you need to report them. Come on. Man, I am low on health, man. I gotta retreat. Thanks for the clip, Void. Appreciate it. Oh, come on! All right, let's get rid of these two. All right. All right. Now, what I'm about to do now is gonna be really difficult, really freaking difficult. I'm gonna need at least 8 of these. Um, actually no. Before I do that, I need 20 blue guys. All right, let's go blue team. Let's get that bridge going, shall we? Yeah, we gotta get to those bombs. All right, while they're doing that, now I can go pick up the yellow team. All right, get some good rest, boys. Get some good rest. All right, we have healed. No, get away from that. All right, now. Go, bomb squad. Oh, there's more. There should be more. Perfect, perfect. Good job, good job. So far, so good. So far, so good. And we're halfway done with the day, but we still haven't accomplished what we needed. Okay, gotta be careful. I don't want to repeat what happened last time. If I use my whistle, they're just gonna drop the bombs. I don't want them to drop the bombs. All right, let's start with the. You know, let's start with the big black wall. Damn it. There we are. All right. Stay here, guys. Gotta be really meticulous here. Trust me, this is necessary to speed up the process when it comes to recovering parts and such. All right, one more should do it. All right, we need to grab more bombs now. Wait. Ah. You know what? As long as we bring this wall, that's all that really matters. Good thing we got rid of all the hazards. Otherwise, stay away from the drugs. Man, always trying to get them fixed, aren't they? Ah, boy. I guess that's what we can do for now. All right. Let's look at Blue Army, and we'll call it a day. Oh, we're making incredible progress today. Oh no, we're not gonna have enough time. We're not gonna have enough time. We're still gonna try though. We're still gonna try. On it really close right now. No, I'm not gonna have time for anything. All right, we're call it here. Ah, I almost left someone behind. Shit. Good thing I noticed him. Day 10 since impact. Hope has begun to swell up within me for the dolphins prepare and my own chance for a reunion with my dear family. Tomorrow I shall go forth with a new attitude and continue my exploration in a different region. I hope that fortune will smile upon me.